I wanted to learn how to sew for as long as I could remember. I even got in an eBay bidding war with someone over a sewing machine that I didn't even know if it worked, if it had all the pieces, or you know how that go. But I won, okay? Got the machine fixed, and guess what? It's sitting in the corner in my apartment looking at me. I'm looking at it. So this year we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna sign ourselves up for a beginner sewing class in New York City. It's for 6 weeks, and I'm gonna see if I can actually make something I can wear, make something I can give, or something I can actually be happy to present to you guys. You know what I mean? So if that's something you're interested in, seeing the fabric stores I go to in the garment district, seeing the progress of me sewing through this class and actually getting it done or not, stay tuned. I think I'll be back. Everybody come back.
Are you on this? Like, are you on the read list?
Okay, but it was 3 days there. Yeah.
I think it'll be all right. Just make sure it's facing, the machine is facing you. You're gonna take out your
Okay, this is week 1 of my first class at 92 NYC, the sewing class. I almost ended up taking a completely different class at FIT. The program closed, okay, the registration closed before I could register for it. And you know what? Maybe that was a good thing, because this class at 92 NYC was half the price. The instructor also already went to FIT. And when I got there, the vibe, y'all, was so nice. It felt so creative. When I was walking around trying to find my class, I was seeing other classes that I might want to do, like ceramics. I don't know when they're doing shoemaking, but maybe shoemaking. We'll talk about it. Back to the class. This isn't the first time I took a sewing class. This is the second time. I did try one before. It was 90 minutes, and I felt like I halfway remembered what I learned. Like, you know, when you there, you get it, and then when you get home, you're like, yeah, no, I forgot.
Have you done this before? Or you just figured it out?
One time, and then, yeah. Exactly. That's exactly what happened to me. So this time around, I left feeling like I actually remembered something. Like, it stuck this time for sure. And yeah, I just hope other people can have that experience. I feel like this class felt different. It just did. The instructor even surprised me. She pulled out a left-handed scissors, because your girl right here is a lefty. So I don't think I ever really seen or used a left-handed scissor, so already I'm gonna see over the next few weeks if it actually makes a difference with how I cut, because I always cut with a right-handed scissor. The lefties here, I want y'all to drop something cute. Drop me an orange heart if you're a lefty, okay? Let me see who's down here and knows the struggle about that, because you use a right-handed scissor. You left-handed scissor? They barely have those. So if that's you, let me see. Drop it down below, because I always am cheering for our lefty crew. I don't know how many of us, but it's not a lot. Yeah. Anyways, back to 92 NYC. It was definitely giving me more than I expected, because like I said, I was seeing a little bit of ceramics, also a little bit of them doing jewelry making, maybe classes possibly. So it just looked like a fun environment. Okay, so before the class, I was rushing the day before to get my material, which I was looking for 100% cotton canvas for the tote bag for the first day, you know. So I did have like 20 minutes in the garment district to find the fabric. 20 minutes. Because a lot of the places kind of close early, if you ask me. But your girl was on a mission, so I went ahead and I picked this olive green material. So cute. I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like as a tote. I think it's a good choice. Anyways, I ended up at Metro Textiles. See, this is, oh yeah, we'll be in here for hours. So true. Just looking around.
You're about to go shopping.
If you've been there, you know you want to stay there for more than 20 minutes. Okay, the owner, Kashi, has so many fabrics that you want to take a picture of them. You want to remember everything. I'm so happy I was able to find this one material that I liked. I'll put a picture here. Yes, we're going to see how it turns out, but I will be back there. Definitely. And if you've never been to Metro Textiles, I would say take a trip. At least see what he got, because there's a whole bunch of fabrics, fun patterns, things that you might want to just make something cute out of one day. It was $12. Again, I'm gonna put a picture of it. It was feeling good for a tote bag. It felt kind of strong and stuff, so we will see. But back to class. In class, I felt no pressure. I felt like I finally had time to learn something fun. You know, and you don't get to do that every day. It's a lot of rushing here, rushing there, not really taking the time to do everything. Everybody's on their phone. Here we had to focus. You have to see the needle, thread the needle, get the bobbin, everything. You have to pay attention to what you're doing. Take the time out to breathe and focus on you and your machine. Because with the pedal, you don't want to go too fast, or else you're going to end up being somewhere you don't want to be. If you want to come with me for the next 6 weeks to see if I'm able to sew something by the end of this, or if I will be selling this machine, I will go ahead and subscribe and follow the series so we can see if we're going to have some new fits. And is this class going to be worth it or not? Stay tuned. All right, till next time. Bye. And thanks so much for watching. Love you guys. You want to cut off the corners?
Okay, let's go to the iron. Correct. So this is the top of your pocket, so make sure you pin that way. Okay. Yeah. Are you gonna go taller?
Yeah.
Let's see, whichever side you like.
Yes.
And then
You
how
did
do
it
I
right.
position
This
this?
bottom,
Yeah, but then
like,
this is
one leg.
So about what's the size of your hand? Good, and just get it to where you like it. And when you're gonna go through the pocket, all the way to the table, and back up. So do none at the top. Okay, try to turn it right side out. Moving down. Okay, excellent. I'm gonna demo how we're gonna sew this. If I can find space.
So I just cut off the corners and turn
If I don't get sick the first time, I get to distance myself, but I'm like trying to like, this is literally first I'm sewing it, I'm not anything.
Yeah, be gentle with yourself, yeah.
Yeah, it's not gonna be
Did you get it right side out? Okay. Okay, you're almost there. You have more corn. You can, your fingernails might come in handy for this. See, I'm poking that out.
Okay.
So get in there and really get them poked out. Then it'll be a rectangle.
Okay, yeah.
All right, so, every one of my bags has a pocket on it already.
Oh.
All right, here's my
It's really
pocket.
good. So, we have a new
I'll go
shape.
wide.
You have such fun fabrics.
Yeah. I had a lot doing